Hello all and welcome to the session on operators in C. Learning outcomes. At the end of this session, the students will be able to understand different operators in C. The students will also be able to design and develop programs based on the operators in C. So, the definition of operators. An operator in C can be defined as the symbol that helps us to perform some specific mathematical, relational, bitwise, conditional, or logical computations on values and variables. They are the basic components of the C programming. The values and variables used with the operators are called operands. For example, if we take the expression a plus b, here a and b are called as the operands, and the operation that is there, that is addition, is called as the operator. So a and b are the operands and plus will be called as the operator. Similarly, for other operations like a minus b, c multiplied by d, the values that is a, b, c, d will be called as the operands, and plus, minus, multiplication, they will be called as the operators. Operators in C are basically classified as unary, binary, and ternary operators depending on the number of operands associated with them. Unary operators have a single operand associated with the operator. Examples of the unary operators can be increment and decrement operators. Plus plus a is an example of unary operator, that is the plus plus, that is increment is the operator and a is the single operand associated with it. Binary operators have two operands associated with the operation. All mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division can be considered as binary as they are operating on two operands. So a plus b, a multiplied by b. In these cases, a and b are the two operands and plus or multiplication are the operators associated with them. Next type is the ternary operator. Ternary operators have three operands associated with them. So in this case we are having a, b, c as the three operands associated with the operator. Ternary operator is discussed in detail in the other part of the videos. Now, types of operators in C. Operators are classified into 6 to 7 types in C. First one is the arithmetic operators, then increment and decrement operators, assignment operators, relational operators, logical, bitwise, and ternary operators. First type is the C arithmetic operators. An arithmetic operator can perform mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. on numerical values. All the arithmetic operators are binary operators. That means they will have two operands, that is values, associated with the operator. Examples can be plus, that is addition, minus, subtraction, multiplication, division, and the modulo operator that gives us the remainder as the output after division. So program 1 is an example of arithmetic operations. So in this case, in the main function, we have declared two variables of type integer, a and b. 9 is associated with a and 4 value is given to b variable. Next, we have declared one more variable c of type integer, and we are performing the arithmetic add operation on a and b. So in this case, a and b are the operands and plus is the operator associated with them. So a plus b will add the values of a and b. So 9 is the value given to a variable, 4 is the value given to b variable. So a plus b, that is 9 plus 4, 13 value will be given to the c variable and stored in it. So when we print the result of the addition of a plus b, we will get the answer as c. So a plus b equal to %d, as c is the integer, so the answer we will get as 13. Next we have declared one integer type of variable d, and now we will associate the value of division of a and b with d. So a divided by b, 9 divided by 4. As d is an integer, we will not get the point part in the answer. So 9 divided by 4, the answer or the output will be 2. Next, e, one more variable we have taken of type integer. Now in this case we are using modulus arithmetic operator, that is we'll get the remainder after division. So a mod b, if we divide 9 by 4, we are getting 1 as the remainder. So a mod b answer will be 1. So finally we will get the output of a plus b as 13, a divided by 2, b as 2, and a modulus b as 1. Next type of operators are increment and decrement operators. As discussed previously, they are unary operators, that is acting on a single operand or value. These operators change the value of an operand, that is either a constant or a variable, by 1. These two operators are unary operators, meaning they only operate on a single operand. Increment, that is the plus plus, is used to increase the value of variable by 1, and decrement, that is minus minus, is used to decrease the value by 1. Both plus plus and minus minus, that is increment and decrement operators, can either be used as postfix operators or prefix operators. Postfix or prefix is depending on whether they are used before the operand or after the operand. Now using the plus plus and minus minus, that is increment and decrement operators, as postfix. If we use the increment or decrement operators as postfix, like they will appear after the operand. For example, if I take a variable var, so if I am going to use the operand first and then the operator, then we will call that we are using it as a postfix operator, like var plus plus or var minus minus. The original value of var is returned first in this case, and then the value is incremented or decremented by 1 depending on the operator that we are using. Example, variable 1 is equal to 5, that is 5 value we are associating with var 1, and var 2 is given the value as 6. Next we are having one more variable a. A is equal to var 1 plus plus. Now here plus plus is used as the postfix operator. It is acting on a single operand, that is var 1. So first what will happen, original value of var 1 will be returned to a. So original value of var 1 is 5. So the answer of a will be equal to 5. Then var 1 will be incremented by 1. So 5 plus 1, the answer of var 1 will be 6. So if we print the values of a and var 1, we will get a is equal to 5 and variable 1 is equal to 6. Because plus plus is used as the postfix operator, first it will return the original value of variable 1 to the variable a, and then the value of variable 1 will get incremented by 1. Similarly, if I give you an expression b is equal to var 2 minus minus, in this case var 2 is the variable which is having the value 6. So if I perform the operation minus minus on var 2 as postfix, then the students can stop the video and pause the video, and then they can write down the answers, what will be the answer of b and what will be the answer of var 2. Here again we are using minus minus as the post decrement operator. So first original value of var 2 will be returned to b. So the value of b will be equal to 6, and then var 2 will get decremented, so it will become 5. Next, using plus plus and minus minus as the prefix. In case of prefix, we are going to use it before the operand. So the first value is incremented or decremented by 1, and then the value is returned to the variable. So if we are using variable 1 as 5, variable 2 as 6, a is equal to plus plus var 1. Now if we try to print the values of a and var 1, then first the value of var 1 will be incremented as it is a prefix operator. So var 1 will become 5 plus 1, that is 6, and then value 6 will be given to a. So a is equal to 6 and var 1 is equal to 6. Similarly, if we are using decrement operator, b equal to minus minus var2, again students can pause the video and write down the answer for this. First value of var2 will be decremented, so it will become 5 and then it will be given to b. So b is equal to 5 and again var2 is equal to 5. Next type of operators are the assignment operators. Assignment operator is used for assigning a value to a variable. Some often used assignment operators are is equal to, that is assigning the value of on the right side of is equal to the left side variable. If we take the expression a is equal to b, the value of b, that is on right side operand, is given to the left side operand, that is a. Plus is equal to is a equal to a plus b, so a plus b will be added and the value will be given to the a variable. Similarly, a equal to a minus b, then for multiplication equal to, it is nothing but a equal to a multiplied by b. For divide equal to, it is equal to a equal to a divided by b, and mod equal to is a equal to a mod b. This is second program dealing with the assignment operators. Here we are having a variable a and c of type integer. Phi value is given to a. First is equal to operator is used. C is equal to a. So is equal to is having two operands. The value of the operand on the right hand side will be given to the operator on operand on the left hand side. So a value is 5. Now c will become 5. Next, c plus is equal to a is nothing but c equal to c plus a. Now a value is 5, so c will become c equal to c plus 5. So c plus 5 means 5 plus 5, that is c is equal to 10. So if we print the value of c, it will become 10. Next is c equal to c multiplied by a. C multiplication equal to a is nothing but c equal to c multiplied by a. Now c has become 10, a is 5, so 10 into 5, c will become 50. The value of c will keep on changing as we are giving new values to it. So if we print c at the last line, we'll get the answer as 50. So c is 10 in the first case and then we'll get c as 50. These are some of the references. Thank you.